Got any New Year's resolutions? Okay, let me predict. You've looked in your wardrobe over the last 24 hours and thought, okay, enough's enough. My New Year's resolution is going to be to clear out my wardrobe and only have things in my wardrobe that fit me. And then you thought, well, if I do that, I'll hardly have anything to wear. Am I right? Or am I right? Well, you might be interested to hear of a workshop that's coming up on the 9th of January, so only, about a week away. Right here in Darlington, and it's called, It's Not You, It's Your Clothes. See? It's not you after all. It doesn't matter how much weight we put on, how much we lose, what shape or size we are. It's not you, it's the clothes. So this workshop runs for 2.5, 3 hours, held here in Darlington, might be a bit bubbly. We'll be looking at your body shape and your assets, your body bits. Do you have big boobs, small boobs? Do you have a thicker waist or a tiny waist and larger hips? Or, how is your body made up? And then we'll look at the clothes that you want to wear and that you find that you can't because of your body shape. And you're thinking it's you, but remember, it's not, it's your clothes. So I'm going to put a link under this video so that you can find out more information and maybe book your place, because it's going to be a lot of fun and it's going to open up lots of different shop doors that you haven't otherwise been into because you've thought, well, nothing in there fits me, I can't get into them, or whatever. Because actually you'll be able to wear so much more than you think you currently can. So come along and join us, me, image consultant, and Shirilee, professional seamstress. Bring along a few items that you think, I really want to wear this but can't, and we will show you how you can. The link's below. Come and join us. Have a glass of bubbly while you're here. I'm Kate Bird. This is Colour Me Kate.